Hazrat Abu Sayyid Khudri radiyallahu anhu states that when the delegation of Abdul Qais entered the presence of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, may Allah Jalla Jalaluhu sacrifice us for you. In which utensils is it permissible for us to drink? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, don't drink in wooden vessels. They submitted, O Allah's Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, may Allah Jalla Jalaluhu ransom our lives for you. Do you know what a wooden receptacle is? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, yes, a piece of wood is hollowed out from inside. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, do not use dry gourd vessel nor green glazed pitcher. Instead, drink from the water skins, whose mouths have been tied. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 120.